Welcome to 10217 East Posada Avenue in Mesa's Santa Rita Ranch. A move-in-ready home offering 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and nearly 2,900 square feet of thoughtful living space. Step inside to a bright, open layout featuring formal living and dining areas, along with a spacious great room designed for everyday gathering. The kitchen ties it all together with white cabinetry, solid surface counters, a center island, breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a relaxing retreat with a walk-in closet, dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a beautifully tiled shower. Throughout the home, you'll notice vaulted ceilings, 20-inch tile, and major updates including new windows from 2023 and 2 newer AC units. Downstairs, you'll find a versatile den currently used as a 4th bedroom, paired with a full bathroom, ideal for guests or multi-generational living. Step outside to a true backyard escape featuring a covered patio, turf, paver hardscape, and a newer heated pool, perfect for year-round enjoyment. Located near parks, playgrounds, walking paths, and just minutes from US 60, Loop 202, shopping, dining, and local coffee spots, this home blends comfort, convenience, and the Arizona lifestyle.